Hi! While it certainly is a challenge to find kitchen appliances that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. Let this channel be that source. In preparing this video countdown of the top models, the team researched literally dozens of tools, ranking each one based on its performance, its affordability, and the reliability of its manufacturer, and also read real-life consumers' opinions about each product. Let's see which are the best models in this year.
The Gaggia Classic is easily the best way to start an espresso journey. I mean, it's all about having control, the ability to finesse the shot and really bring out the nuances of a coffee. You know, it's something to make a shot when everything is just right. You know, when that crema just oozes into the cup, you take that sip and it's something that you've never tasted before. A lot going for it. Stainless steel housing, the three-way solenoid valve, so you know when you knock out that puck, it's dry. Commercial size and weight portafilter. A boiler that heats quickly with the highest watts to volume ratio in the industry. And then, you know, instead of putting the heating elements inside the boiler like most do, they wrap them around the outside for more even heat distribution, and that's really what it's all about. Frothing with a Panarello wand, I mean, that's really easy. You know, then if you want to go a little further, you know, you can always get the latte art wand on there and really finesse that milk for, you know, latte art, if you're into that. If you're getting serious into espresso, but, you know, you don't want to spend a lot of money. I mean, this thing has all the professional features to allow you to pull shots that are just as good as those coming off machines costing a ton more. The Gaggia Classic, it's a wonderful tool to start your journey.
Toffee latte, cafe mocha, espresso martini, caramel cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista espresso maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
With sleek Italian design, a patented frothing system, and a built-in professional quality grinder, the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi is an incredible combination of style and performance. It all starts with the beans. The integrated conical burr grinder gives you the freshest taste possible, since what you grind is what you brew. Choose the settings you want, then brew instantly for exquisite crema and unsurpassable flavor. The quality stainless steel piped double boiler means there's no wait between espresso and steam. And the unique frothing system includes a special chamber that mixes steam and milk to create rich, creamy drinks every time. There's an instant reheat function, so you're always ready to brew. Adjustable spouts to fit your cup of choice. An automatic shutoff for safety, plus an automatic indicator light to let you know when it's time to decalcify the machine. And the patented compact brewing system is easily removable for convenient cleaning. It's so easy to use. All you really have to do is sit back and enjoy the performance, convenience, and exquisite flavor of the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi.